Hi, this is Billy again. Welcome back. Today I'm going to paint a nice bright blue sky. I've got some cobalt blue, some red and some white. So starting at the top, some cobalt blue. It's a bright blue sky today for a change. So we're going to start at the top with nice broad strokes and a flat brush this time. I'm going to work all the way down the page and just add some white. Add some white as we come towards the horizon line. The sky will generally get lighter towards the horizon. The clouds at the top are closer to us, they'll be bigger. The ones at the bottom will be smaller because they're just further away. Something called aerial perspective. So stronger at the top and bluer, as you see. Nice strong blue at the top and getting a little bit lighter all the way down, okay? Now for some clouds. Some nice big buffy clouds maybe at the top with some pure white. I see buffy clouds, just weave them a little bit. Okay, that's our buffy clouds. Nice sunny day. And just a little bit smaller in the middle, getting almost disappearing at the bottom. Further away from us at the bottom, much closer at the top. And now for some shadow. Just clean the brush. Clean the brush and maybe a little bit of shadow in the cloud with some blue and a tiny piece of red. Just make a nice crimson colour. A little piece of red in the sky is nice, it just warms up the sky for us. So, that's our sunny day sky. Thank you for watching today. Next time I'll be doing a slightly different scene, maybe a piece of landscape. Until then, stay safe. Bye bye and thank you for watching.